How to add a new page in Wix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can add a new page on your Wix website that you're creating. So let's get started. Simply open up your Wix editor and open up the website where you want to add a new page. Now this is one of the test websites that we have, and I will show you how to add a new page. You can see these options right here. Go to second option, which is menu and pages. Here you will be able to find your site menu. So I have 3 pages. Click on add page option right here at the bottom, and then we can select from different type of pages that we can add to our Wix website. I can add a services page, project page, contact, 404 error, landing page, store, booking, blog, and others. And we can also create a blank page. So I want to create a projects page. So I will go to projects right here and I'll get different customizable pages that I can go for. Or we can go ahead and add a blank page. Click on blank page. And there you go, a new page will be added to your website. You can see this is my new page. I can give it a name and now I can customize it the way I want. And this is how you can add a new page in Wix. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.